Well. So blessed love to our Dream Team One Team. Dream Team One Team. So you know the thing, but the journey continues. The journey continues. So now we're on another mission. And this mission now we got 20 bag of chickens. Right? 20 single bag of chickens, you know, one older chicken in one bag. And we got 100 pound of rice, you know, from Cindy and family from Florida. So guys, we could thank Cindy and family from Florida, you know, for the 20 older chickens, you know, 20 older chickens and 100 bag of rice. So we're gonna give that out, you know, to some family. And we're definitely going to bring some of the chickens them by the golden age, you know, because remember them always cook up there by the golden age for the elders them. So we're going to contribute about 5 chicken up there, the 5 at the 5 pound bag of rice them, because you know say 100 pound chicken and 100 pound of rice, so we're going to weigh them out at 5 pound each. So that means it goes 20 bags, it goes with the 20 chickens. So we give out 1 bag of chicken, and we got some oil as well, some cooking oil as well too. So we give them a buckle of oil with the rice and the chicken. So I want to thank Cindy and family from Florida. You know, we thank them so much for this Christmas blessings. What a Christmas treat. Hello is going on here. So we thank them so much. God bless you, know, and thank you, Cindy and family. You know, thank you for considering the people them of Trenchtown, you know, helping out, giving a helping hand here in the festive season. Because you know, says not everyone can afford right now to put on a pot of food. So we thank you so much for your consideration. Yeah, thank you for being considerate as well. So guys, if you're watching, please put the thumbs up. Yeah, put the thumbs up. So I'm back here in Trenchtown because you know, so I have to run leave Dee for a minute. Dee Mwango, you know, I left her back there in Ochi. So after I kind of finish up some charity work, and you know, we'll get back down there. But you know, so I have to always both sides, you know, weighing the scales from the left and from the right, putting in the work. See me, so today now we have
me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
the prefect in here. The prefect, and we have boom. You know, I'll go and wrap out the rice. So see there, so wrapping up the rice is now also got some oil as well too. So whenever count the oils then, some say one. So let's take out the oils and see if we got 20 oils. So if we got 20 oil, so each person get a bag of rice, a bag of chicken and a cooking oil. You know, so you count them already? You see how many oils? Oh, but bag it in there already? Or the bag was you buy? Bag was in there already.
See that?
Same man by 20. But you whenever look. Alright then, so work out the same. So as I said, this family, Cindy and family, so considerate, you know. They're so considerate and so organized because everything was there that we was needed. We needed 9 by 20, we ended up going and buy a 9 by 20 bag because we never looked in the bag. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 20 eggs. Well done. Well done, Cindy and family, boy. I thank you so much. You make the work much easier now. You know, so it goes a long way, prefect. Yeah. So 5 pound of rice with a bag of chicken, with a chicken and an oil, also together. So we have the chicken here in the fridge, you know, so we're going to put in the chicken last, because since the chicken will start to melt before. So put in the chicken last and everything. Yeah, all going. So we give thanks to Cindy and family from Florida. You know, we thank you so much for being so considerate. And guys, as I may say, it's really so sad. It's really sad that we lost Max. You know, I've said that dog a while ago, I run. My mind run on Max. You know? My mind run on Max. As you see. Whoa!
Yo.
Aye. Oh, so the wow, yeah. I'm thinking the wow apart a while ago.
Boy, them style, I'm gonna start beat them style yet, you know, my cowboy hat. Yes, me I say.
Not yet.
Yeah, man, boy, you know, boy, tomorrow I'll just go to Max, you know, drop some flowers for him tomb, you know.
Yeah, it's so sad to lose Max in the day.
Yeah, man, drop 2 flowers for him tomb and just say, John, this.
Yeah. Yo, officer, if you was driving the Jeep, please hand in yourself. Right?
Yeah, man, officer, man, call
yeah,
man,
that was a
Max away.
Yeah, that was a hit and run. So officer, if you're watching and you know you was the person that driving and licked down the dream team dog,
yeah, right,
and because of his injury, you know, he ended up losing life after 2 days, you know, because he was really suffering, because he get some internal blows from that injury because they run right over him. So officer, if you're watching this program and you know you're guilty of running over Max, please hand in yourself to the nearest police station, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, just hand in yourself to the nearest police station because you're meant to protect and serve. Not only protect human beings, but also the animals them too.
Yeah,
so
man.
Please, officer, hand in yourself, you know.
If I fire in the right out them fine and
yes.
You know.
So if you're watching, officer, please.
If I pay a fine, you know.
Yeah, man, officer.
See me?
Yo, officer.
Box of Max, you know, you see me I say?
Officer, it really hurt. You understand, because that's our dream team. And one of the most loyal dogs where you see in Trenchtown. Yeah, he's the only dog that walk with us when I was helping out the less fortunate in Trenchtown. You like, he just take a life of an innocent dog that do so much good. He's the only dog that do good in Trenchtown. Which other dog do good like Max? You see, we have our extended family that look out for Max. Yeah. By mackerel. Max getting plate as well. Come on, man. Officer, please just hand in yourself to the nearest police station. Yeah? The nearest one near you. Right? Just hand in yourself, man. You know? Do a little time. We don't know all of them are sentenced, but just do a little time, man. You can't just take a life like that, man. Innocent life, man. Officer, man. Come on, man. You want them to say you could take your time and just beep and the dog come out of the way. Chaja. You feel for Max, I'm not lying. No lie. Officer, you have to go hand in yourself, yeah? Just hand in yourself, man. The nearest police station near you, just go hand in yourself. I beg you, please. You know? Rest in peace, Max. You know, we're going to definitely, yo, guys, we're going to really miss Max. I'm telling you the truth, we're going to miss him. Like, I'm telling you, we're really going to miss him because right now, it has Max right at my feet. Soon as I reach and Max see me, Max would have run come, he would have stretch, and then Max would have start to walk with us, you know, and you take an innocent life. There's so many people across the world who are watching and love Max, and you take Max life like that. Come on, man. Right now, my earth officer just turning yourself to the nearest police station here. You know, we never get the license plate, but come on. I hope you get guilty enough and just turning yourself. Ah, you bring back a dog when your Max come right there. So, train want to make him exactly be like Max. You know, we can't find another Max. But do something. Do something. Rest in peace, Max. So here we are today with Cindy and family, making this possible. You know, Cindy and family. So things are them moving speedy. So we have some more care package giving away. You know, so. Cindy and family. Prefect, so big up Cindy and family from Florida.
Cindy and family from Florida. I want to tell you, do a great thing in a season where you don't know. It's a giveaway season, which you don't know the program all along. It's all about giving away, but give thanks for you giving this package to each and every one where we are going to hand it to. I going to have a smile on them face. So enough love and enough thanks and just guidance throughout the season. I wish you a happy new year when it comes.
Yeah.
Nothing but love. Bless you.
love. Give thanks to Cindy and family from Florida. Rasta Messi.
Blessed. Cindy and family from Florida. So they are do the work. God bless you and thank you for do this. Yeah, one love.
Yeah,
bless
so we give thanks to Cindy and family. So bagging out, as you can see, we're almost finished. So we're 5 bags away. You know, we're 5 bags away. So each family will get £5 of rice, 1 bag of chicken, and a bag of oil. You know, that's a meal. So the only thing that the family will need to get now is like some peas and coconut and butter and seasoning. You know, that's the easiest part. You know, so at least now we give thanks for seeing them playing the major part. Cause right now, to buy chicken, it's so expensive right now to buy chicken. Yeah, just think about it. To buy a whole of chicken right now, it's so expensive. You know, trust me. And when the family are gonna accept this, you're gonna see the smile on them face. 1 whole of chicken for themselves. You know, 1 whole of chicken for themselves. So guys, smash the like button whenever you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Thank you so much for supporting this movement. You know, I have to big up Diane. Big up on yourself. Tyrone, big up yourself. Beyond. We're going above. Isn't it? We're going above. Rising to occasion to help out. Alright, so we start the ball and roll now. Take out 5. I will not take out everything. Just walk with 5. Get them into. It's about it.
I put 5 first. And
Yeah.
then I go again and put another 5.
Unless you want to walk with
Walk with 10 bags.
10 bags.
And then you come back walk with
Yeah. The bag really light for you. Walk with 5.
5 drop in the walk. Put it on down. Let's put that. Then go there. You don't want to bust out. No, hold it under. Yeah. Any you do, you can hold it. You do it, sir.
Bigger Tom.
Them are the biscuit
Shell punch like. What should I do? No. Eh? Nah, give me none. Give me Tom.
Hey, la. Take the cup of water.
Leila. Oh, come and take care of a dream team. Take care of a dream team, right? Alright guys, so as I said, I got head out the one, drop off these. Yeah. Drop off these bags, you know, with some chickens. So we give thanks to Cindy and family from Florida. Thank you so much, Cindy and family from Florida, for these packages for the people that are Trenchtown. So we're gonna head, we're gonna walk and drop off these ones here. Boy, you have to hold underneath it, remember the bag? No man, boom, in a strong. In a strong, boom. Yeah, you have to just hold it, so hug it up.
Oh, and I'm not cook food in there. I look feed, I'm hungry. Johnny food doing.
Oh, alright. Boom! Where am I? Come on. well. Doing some Christmas painting. Hello. Hey, get a Christmas How you doing? Ben.
Ben what?
How you doing, Ben?
Alright.
Aye, Ben, alright. Yeah, alright, wash plate already.
Wash plate.
Oh, you mean? How is your Christmas?
Christmas.
Good?
Yeah, good.
Oh, sure. Well, the family seems merry. Shanette, you painting?
Paint.
You painting too?
Yeah, my Bumper, Lily, and Shanette.
And Shanette paint.
No, I didn't paint.
You did it?
Right there telling us to do my
Hey, so daddy you paint. Christmas tree. Come here, say, what else? Come here, say, which part dancer I keep? You know, me the big sound.
I want some music, you know.
Okay.
I
Cool.
want to play a Peter Tuss LP, you know.
Yeah. That is
Vibe
it.
in the moment, you know.
Okay. That is it, man. So me there, I move around, you know. So I have a donation for you from the other day, because I come here, them say you're gonna work. And then I wasn't about. So from Oliver and Carla. You know that name I read it all the time, Oliver and Carla. It's not the first, you get the US. You're getting 40 US here from Oliver and Carla from Florida.
So, respect Oliver and Carla. Why big up for the Happy New Year and the Christmas shall come still, you see? Because why the pleasant thing you do for me right now, you see? Let me have a nice Christmas right now and when I New Year's present for me, you see? So,
Yes.
big up yourself, Oliver and Carla, you see? Prosperity be to you, yeah?
Yes, sir. So we're gonna make it even more merrier now, because we have here a care package here, a bag for you with chicken, rice and oil. All it good. Yeah, all it good. Chicken. We have all the chicken there for you.
Yeah.
And a 5-pound rice and
Yeah.
a bottle of oil from Cindy and family from Florida.
Cindy and family.
From Florida.
Big up for you. Look at me last year, you know. So we give thanks to us about we have a thing can.
Okay. Shanette.
Yes.
Bye bye. Have a Merry Christmas, okay?
Yes.
A little
Alright.
chit-chat.
Chit chat. What are you gonna say?
Merry Christmas.
Looking at camera and say Merry Christmas to everyone
Merry Christmas to everyone.
and have a happy new year
And have a happy new year.
from Shanette and family.
From Shana and family.
We love you.
We love you.
Love you too. High five. Take care, okay?
That's it too.
Yeah, say it.
Merry Christmas to everyone
Yeah.
and a Happy New Year.
Hey.
I love my parents.
Yeah. Alright then, okay? Grams.
Yeah.
Big up yourself,
Big up
yeah?
yourself, you know.
Alright.
Have a Christmas and Merry New Year. then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Blessed every time. Whoa! Down the man. All boy. Hey boy. Some familiar. And they no mind to go on the video. Oh, so you can give 2 of them and 1 for you. Oh, 3 of them. Whoa, all good, remember. Hello. Can I go in a bag of 5-pound rice and a whole of chicken and a bottle of oil? You okay with that?
Of course, I want it.
Come, beautiful. So you can thank Cindy and family.
Who we thank?
Cindy and family.
Cindy.
And family, yeah.
Well, give thanks to Cindy and family for the local token for our Christmas.
Yes. Wrong one?
Our mother.
Oh, I am. Okay, oh, your mother, alright.
Merry Christmas, Cindy. Merry Christmas, Cindy.
Yes. Alright. Okay. You want one?
Our mother. Our mother.
Oh, your mother and that. Okay. Alright. Where's the go on this one? Rolling through Resort Baby House. Natasha. Resort Baby. You know your jacuzzi. Natasha. Where your mother there, boy? She fierce. Old boy kid now. Not no young boy anymore. Big boy. Have teenager bump in her face now. Or them say aisle bump. Hey, aisle bump. You still a virgin boy. What you say? You broke out a shell?
Yes.
So we're here looking for another family to give them a bag. You know, so we give thanks to Cindy and family. You know, thank you so much. So we're gonna take 5 of them up to the golden age. So we have 5 here. Give 5 on 3rd Street. Up at the top also. And we have to go 4th Street as well, right? I can see the deal. Yeah, so through the bags them is not too strong. We can't even walk with everything. So you have to walk with 5. Yeah. She in there?
Yeah, the one in there, but good in English. She's so good at that.
She gone. Are you want to put it on fair then?
Yeah, man.
Alright, put it on fair. Get your life, put it on fair.
Yeah, man. Half of my virgin mother. One
Yeah.
for thanks and respect.
Yes.
Make this with my virgin mother.
Alright, let's put it on inside. But the dog them a kick up in the yard there. Could have pay dog poo. Boy normally right now we don't walk with Max. You know? It's gone. I want it? We'll go up here so with that. Could I walk through yourself? Okay, I'll walk here so I'll drop it now there. Come in, Jella. Yes guys, so we're rolling through the back of Trenchtown. So we're in Trenchtown. So we're walking through the back. This is walking through the back page of Trenchtown. You know, this is how it goes. So that's the house there that we built for Natasha. Remember those days when the work are going in this yard? Remember those days when the work is going on in this yard? Reaching over there. Alright then. Okay. Oh. Hello, Miss Girlie. What?
I am right here.
How is everything? So I'm handing you.
Give me what you give me now. You know, come
See
give
there?
me something.
You bring it for you, yeah, so. So
So what you give me?
it's in the bag too.
I do what I want to put in the bag.
Yeah.
No, I want to do more.
So chicken in the bag, yeah, all the chicken in the bag, so don't make it melt and
What I
rise.
want to give me, plain in the bag. Everything in the bag, I pay go a campfire. Then when I drink a drinks now, I eat a bun with piece of cheese. Jimmy here.
Yeah.
Jimmy here. Jimmy here.
Yeah, you're gonna get that thing too.
When you ever get it?
I'm going to help you out with something then. It's 500 here.
Thank you. You are one now. Come on.
Yeah, that I go contribute. You have to go work with that. Yeah. So it go.
Are you are one this?
It should no.
At the team.
Team
Contribution.
I have to give somebody.
If we have,
Yeah.
we have him represent you.
Yeah.
No, me have it done. I see what me having them.
Then give me something out of the silver.
No man, you go and keep that.
Satisfied.
Satisfied. Small full passes, thankful receive. $500 to get in now. If you like a $50, take care next time.
Next time, yeah?
Yeah, tell the people them.
So tell Cindy and family thanks.
You see you?
No, man. Me look no more. I gotta make sure me come call.
Tell Cindy and family thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Say Cindy and family thanks.
Cindy and family thanks.
Yes,
and
sir.
may the Lord guide both of you and bless you and keep you in a nice manner that no devil when them see one of them have to run go hide.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah, we'll go back to another few rest now.
And the devil see one of them have to run go hide.
Yes, sir.
God, them a Satan and you can't deal with Satan.
Alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so blessed love. So we're gonna take on another journey. So we're gonna get some more chicken and rice, you know, so we're walking with 5-5 because we cannot walk with everything one time because you know chicken, the time is very hot. So by the time you start to walk, it's gonna be melting. So instead, we just walk. Wow, there's changes. Wow, that's tight. Yes, guys, so we reached back down to the shop, you know, so we're gonna get some more chicken. Yeah, another 5 bags, give it out as well, and then come back. So we have to keep doing that because you know the time is really hot, so the chicken is melting really fast. So we have to just do what we're doing really quick, you know, and keep moving and give it away, you know. So we give thanks. So we're gonna grab another 5 bags of chicken. So Cindy and family, thank you so much, guys. Remember to like the video, put the thumbs up. Don't forget to put the thumbs up while you're watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe to King Life in Jamaica. Welcome and thank you for watching King Life in Jamaica. Go on. I'm mad.
Yeah, I hear one. One, my son come. Go on in, go beard, my son come. Now come put it right in your lap.
I'm too much. Match around there. Knock her up. Give Match a bag. And we see him Jem. Jem. Body. And Felicia yesterday, that's true. Hello. Mine a crash. How you doing?
I'm not blind, I get my new glasses.
You can see. Oh, give me a word. Oh, Felicia. Shout out Felicia. This is Jem. Oh, I'm gonna lay this. Oh, get that lady that woman there and chicken. Oh, get that woman that one. Coffee now. So thanks Cindy and family. Cindy and family.
Thanks, Cindy and family.
Cindy and family.
Thank you, Cindy and family, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Alright. So thanks Cindy and family.
Thanks, Cindy and family. Have a wonderful, Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much. Alright. Jem. Miss Jem. Oh, Carla, the slimmers. I'm going. Yeah, because slimmers got to get a box. Raga. Roots, man. What you say, yeah? Oh, fry up some, steal up some fish, got that?
Yeah.
Steal up some fish.
You see it?
Grunt. Cool, man. So with some of that and the roots in your back. Strong up back.
Yes, yeah.
Original. Original roots, man. There's a thank Cindy and family.
Oh, thank you and family.
Cindy and family.
Oh, Cindy and family, thank you very much. I hope the Christmas is well, very.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, then bless up yourself. Yes, Raga. With some grunts.
Yeah, foreign and gone.
It's a foreign you send them here?
No, yeah, then gone.
Oh, yeah, the fish them gone foreign.
Yeah.
So you cook this down with some roots in the pot. You never try that yet?
No, sir.
Cook it down with some roots in the pot.
No.
Thing drop.
Some okra and cheese.
Some okra and chicken pan in. I mean. Raga. Pick up yourself, Raga roots. Alright, last time. Come here. Eh? Yeah. The fish gone are foreign. All the foreign the fish gone. Them either real? Nice eyes. I'm gonna juice them.
What is standing?
Liquor.
It's like this. 3,
Eh?
2, 1, let's go.
Oh. This is the pathway. This is Jim. I see a place though, she live, right?
Yep.
Oh, man, big up yourself. Miss Jem? Miss Jem? Hello, it's Kino. I bring a Christmas package for you. Yes. Well, today I have to go cry because him send me. Yes, him send me, so today is crying now. Yes, today is Miss Jem Day. And it's a Christmas Day for Miss Jem Day. So it's Miss Jem Day. See, it's morning. Hope all is well.
Yeah, by the power of God, all is well.
All is well. I will give thanks, you know.
Thanks.
And as well as
Everything.
in everything. So you said Jesus, I got cry this morning, right?
Yeah.
Then that is it.
I'm not fortunate to get things.
Hey, well, you're fortunate now at Christmas.
So I that?
Yes.
I want this now.
So we have a whole of chicken for you, and rice, and a bottle of oil.
Oh. Thanks.
So you can thank Cindy and family. So cooking
Cindy
and family.
Cindy
and family.
And family. From where?
Florida.
Oh. Cindy and your family, God bless you. God keep you that you can continue to offer. And bless.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So you can come for some food?
Yeah, Daniel, I expect to do that.
Alright, there's a thing.
We greet accordingly, you know, how I feel, I just get up and greet.
Yeah. Alright, no problem, sir. Have a Merry Christmas, yeah?
To you and Miss Cindy and your two of you.
Alright.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, so we're heading back down the road to get some more. To get another 5 bag. So moving. How far wheelchair that? Let me see that wheelchair. Open it. Let me see how big that is. Let me see if this bigger than the one. This bigger than the one we have though.
I see him. I see him size.
Oh, the same size?
Yeah, the same size. What? The same. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I see him. I see him.
Oh, I see him.
I see him.
They come
That
like
look wider than that.
Yeah. Seems like it's hard to find the bigger size then. You know? Oh, she take care of the lady. Okay, we'll just drop off a bag over there with chicken.
Go in here and sleep on the stone. Pot, the bag there. The rice and then so.
Yeah, go.
Alright, so thanks Cindy and family for the bag. So Cindy and family, thank you.
Cindy and family, thank you very much.
So
Have a Merry Christmas.
okay, so this is the lady that's taking care of the elderly woman. Oh, you can't drive? You don't have your license?
The road too bad. Yeah.
Tell me.
I'm gonna eat something.
Good God, so she's taking care of the lady that went to the next street where you said Angela drop off the bag. She's the one that's taking care of her.
You said tomorrow our birthday.
Oh, tomorrow's our birthday. Oh. Okay.
Whoa! Where Anna then?
Anna in the yard, this one. Alright then, take care,
Yeah, man.
Continue
Thanks, yeah.
So Anna there. So we need another 5 bag now, prefect. I think we should have go Woollanage first and then come back with the last 5. Yeah. So just walk, go up and stretch. Give me something out of the shop now for my Christmas. Kayla will pay a feed for me. Kayla will pay a feed. Come now, we can't take. No care. So evidence. She's paying for me, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. Kayla, talk to me now, man. Take anything? I'm a Christmas present, you know what I say?
Yeah, go and take a shirt.
Come, miss. Hey, guys, so fortunate I am. I'm well blessed. Turn on your music, please. Turn on your music, Kayla. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I wonder if we can find the most expensive one.
My boss too,
Most expensive one here.
What's my budget, Kayla? Kayla, what's the budget? What's the budget? No, it's evidence.
Evidence for what?
Evidence. If you change your mind, it's on camera. Even though she's not changing her mind. More the most expensive. What's your budget first?
You can't let the door open.
Oh, the AC. Oh, AC.
Boy, you buy something every turn, you turn.
I'm so going over here. So, Alistair. Come like task leave, you know. How can I whisper and I go and behind my back with listen? Me look how I go on over here. What you said? Top and shots, is it?
No, those are just tops.
No, Kayla.
There as well.
Oh, Kayla, where should I look? Suits? Talk to me now.
Terry, what's for that to him on the
shop? We can't talk about here.
No, you can't talk. Tell her now ears.
I'm going to charge her double key because she look like she have a Christmas money.
Yes, sir. So when I should...
If I hear a price and no fair price, I go double.
Alright, I'm going to take shots on top.
Terry, how much you top?
Your price double.
Talk to me now. Shots on top. Must take. Talk to me now. Must take. Oh, yeah, all. Whoa, me look good for the Christmas. That's true. All the Nike are bad. How much that pay ya?
You don't want that. I think a larger loan have available than that.
Oh, that's too big for me.
Move it in.
Very lucky, very lucky. Alright, then. Sure. What I go on here, so guys, I'm taken care of by my best friends over there. You know. Boy, if you not look, I want to know she married already. Sorry. You know, so I take on the eye off her. She's married. So imagine what kind of wife would that get.
Yes.
You just imagine what kind of wife would that get, lad. So here we go to Kayla. They say shorts on top. I go match something then. Talk to me now. Gel and being spoiled today. You see when you do good shall return. If you do bad, should you look for me at talk?
You know the girl said top and you're gonna say.
I said me I ask her.
She said top. Him say want a top. You go buy my top and a shorts then.
How much is shorts?
You buy my top and a shorts? The set and a shorts alone. I don't know which one you choose. When you choose, me tell you.
I was catching up much shots over here still, so I guess. What size is this?
15.
It's too short. But no, I'm broke the bank, you know.
50 this one. Short. Come out, man. Can I pick this up, man? Come on.
Hey, that's good.
Take the camera out for me.
Alright then. Put the camera where the business are going. Oh, she not have many shots still.
You never have shots over there, so as well.
Okay, so I'm going to cross over here, see no Kayla. Kayla, you never tell me what I'm going, Kayla. I saw you must have a good friend like me. Alright, that shot, so look. Really? Listen me there, darling. I have to go to Taylor. I'm going to the Taylor. Well, this.
Hey, Jesus!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! And a Happy New Year. Thank you, my friend. Guys, I'm being blessed.
Very blessed.
Well blessed. You see? We have tears, but let's pick it out. Yes. Well, right. Can I get a bag? Oh, she's giving the bag as well.
The small top or the medium? The small one to the top?
Mr. Small?
The medium, the tall, you know, so maybe the medium.
Let me see, because then probably look like it fit big.
I don't want no too baggy.
Give me the medium, because probably the sleeve. No, guys. She's buying me Air Force. I'm joking. Oh, I want to thank her so much. Lovely. Where's the shorts?
Shorts is very cute.
Oh, so you put up the shorts for Anna. Or if you do me that, see it here for my lovely friend Kayla over there. You know, she's not rich. Don't feel like she having the money, but she just sure look her. Oh, she really love her friend, right? Appreciation for good friend.
Give, you shall receive.
Of course.
When you give it the art.
Exactly. So guys, we don't want to look too hard, you know, just take her on an eye for her. She's married, you know, sorry. What a lucky husband she have. Boy. I saw me lucky, me just a walk past
and me call you back.
And you call me.
Me never call you, go
and she now say, yo, Kino, go on, man, I no money, man. She still say, yo, I got broke the pan for Kino. Thank you so much. Can I have a bag, please?
Sure, no problem.
Hey, me, my friend. You want to put in the bag for me? Put in the bag for me. Put in the bag for me. Put in the bag for me, man. Sure. Put it in the bag for me now, man. And say Merry Christmas, Kino, when you give me.
Right?
Sure. Yeah, I'd be honest. The mannequin.
Come now, man. For the community, so not wrong if you give.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
And say Merry Christmas, Kino. Hold on, hold the camera. Hold this. Make sure I'm taking from the camera. I'll take this.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey. Thank you so much. This is a so good friend of mine. She have a kind heart. She even help all the people them as well to buy a giveaway. Yeah. So be sure she has a kind heart. Nothing more. So how much thanks we can say. My Christmas is even merry. Put on this Boxing Day.
Cheers.
Problem. You like the shoes?
Next time.
Alright. Man, thank you so much. I'm going back now up on the road and feed the people them right now. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Kayla, oi. Who happy like me today? You get... Alright, that who happy like me today. See the guys on 3rd Street. Dream Chaser Fashion by Jovi. See there? Here in Trenchtown. AC cool. So long in there, I'm not sweat. I will call the place AC out. Hey. And this is Kayla Pastry and More Shop. This is a pastry shop, guys, you know. So if you don't want, you can send her money, come make sure put in at the shop and sponsor the kids them some ice cream. So if you don't want to buy the kids them some ice cream, let's give her back a support. Right, Kayla? Put on around. You can put on around for the kids them. Right? Alright then. So guys, so back on the mission now. You know? Look at that. Lovely, 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 lovely. You see? Say to them, say when you do good in life, good shall return. You know, so she's a good friend of mine, you know. And she always support the goodness I'm doing, and I always support the goodness that she does as well too. You know, so I thank her so much. Thank you so much, Kayla. Guys, see, there's a lot of good people out there, you know. She could have said no, Kino, Christmas time now, she still bless me. And this is not cheap. it's not cheap. So imagine someone has spent, you know, some total friend. We give thanks, I will thank her so much. Kayla, big up yourself. Big up. Yeah. Alright guys, so we have to, yeah. So we have to make the bags them a bit more stronger. So we're gonna walk with everything. Mom, come here, Messi. We have golden age and then come around and finish everything. Alright, so guys, so we're gonna head to the golden age now. You know, to deliver these bags. Leave 5 bags and then deliver the rest on the way around. Yeah, so we're gonna head to Princess and Prince, you know, and then we'll head on towards the golden age and drop off about 5 bags around there for the homeless, for the elderly them around there by the golden age. So you know, it's a big cooking can go on for them around there for the Christmas. Big cooking. So we give thanks to Cindy and family. You know, we're thanking you so much for this blessing, you know. Continue help out the situation here in Churchtown. Help us help people, you know. Help us helping out same way. I will give thanks, I will thank you so much for helping out Queen of Life in Jamaica. Finey! Almost never recognize you. Alright. Well, me your dog a bark. Eh? Christmas cake? Alright. Yeah, me your dog Mark. At them time I will miss Max more. You know, there's no Max no for defend us at all. Jaja. Officer, turn in yourself. I'm telling you. Turn in yourself. Dynamite. Princess. Get back from Princess before. Need back a Max star. Princess. Oh, Princess looking royal. What's going on? All is well? Why are you crying? Sorry for you that, you know, how could I hear bad news and it wasn't phony time at all.
Be grateful for everything, so no matter what God, He showed everything up for His purpose because the kids them could in the car, you understand? And I did some know me that dead.
Yeah.
But make it a better way.
So you say how much are you in the car?
Me and him alone.
You and him alone?
I come home because we end up home from country and we say, alright, we are going to stop and go to the next place because we have party. And we say, alright, we are going to the party and him go workers party, them go and collect what them collect also. And I want to tell them never ever go. But you remember I say, every year it keep, you never even show your face. And we say, alright, come here, we are going. Look out there, coming back. And we, you know. But anyway, still we give thanks.
We give thanks. Yeah.
And the most important part, where I'm grateful for God for. Get a call one day and the doctor said, you can't tell me faith, you know. But you know, when one door shut, you know,
another one is open.
We always fight. You don't know. And God wants you for your purpose. I'm going to hold on for you, and no matter what. I'm a church sister, them just come out and come pray for me.
Yeah, I see them just now.
Because them realize them not really come.
Church.
Kind of traumatized. Because one thing is, they are made afraid by the cancer and them carry go clinic. Them said they will give me a call. But all them said they will give me a call, them they really tell me.
Yeah.
What happened, so you know, I start freaking out, I say, Lord, God, I eat this.
Yeah.
You understand?
And for them to tell you, say it's gone,
good news, you know?
say she's cancer free.
But you don't know. Next thing again, they care about that cool still we have a life.
Yeah, it's kind of know.
Everybody's still happy.
Yeah, it's machine, it's material stuff, you know, that's what always, even we will leave before the material stuff. So the material stuff is always there, so just always we is more precious than the material stuff, you know, and everything sometimes happen to your life for a reason, you know. Sometimes you don't get it straight away why it happened, but within down the line you will understand and know why, you know. So you have to just look into it as well too, because it wasn't your time, it's just a lesson learned, you know, for you. So the car we say was your car when to buy. Yeah, so
just fix it up because you know it have that problem here and we have that problem here, so we take the time and the last thing we buy for it I want head casting. We buy it put up and I say alright then look out them gonna have it for Christmas so we can, you know, support, you know, but I believe God better.
yeah, man, it's a lesson learned, you know. It's just a lesson learned, because maybe I try to tell you say the car never needed, you know. Maybe they have better, more important stuff did for deal with, you know, and they might try to show you so well. We all make mistakes in life, but they might try first to say look deep into things more, you know, before we really jump to do others, because they probably have said, well, the car you never needed, princess, because you have better things to deal with. Same as you get the good news about your daughter, so she's now cancer free. Maybe more you turn your focus on something else, you know. So maybe if the car was a business car or something, maybe I try first say, yo, open your eye and just.
Man, I use to sell a little soap them, you know.
Yeah.
And more while me that go at our else place down.
Yeah.
Sell them out, you know. So I go there and with me that say, boy, come here go country, come from country, so come here go up there. So we have a whole heap of fab and stuff, so we sell it out, but at the end of the day, we have to be grateful.
You have to be grateful.
You can't question God.
No.
My big money and all.
As I say, we give thanks to life, and your life is period, you and your husband, same way, you know. So, as I say, everything is a lesson learned, you know, and as I say, probably him think say it wasn't the time for the vehicle. You know, that's why you notice when you come out of the car without a scratch. You know, all the damage I've done to the car, but not good.
One time I see me going to a lighthouse, all me could have do was wrap on way in there and chuck out in a car. Spanish town road where they whole heap of grass and like come to river time. So.
Yeah.
I just have to just chuck out in the grass. But him now, I don't know how the four door lock with him. He have to kick out the whole of the front part, you know. It was still fierce.
Yeah.
But yesterday we came to a doctor and just did like him neck daily fracture.
Okay. Was it good otherwise?
You still have to give thanks.
Yeah,
everything now go perfect in my life.
Yeah, and that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm good now. Oh, see? So all is well now.
Have life, man.
Yeah, man. Life are the greatest, you know? Yeah. I know something when I have to just look into.
Accident, life.
Yeah.
Come down, Brian.
Yeah, man. You know, yeah, man. Listen, I was in phone at time.
When me I just I reach front of to the bridge. Reach front of DNG.
That's right, but that Spanish road, they say.
Then I make the lane. When me I
come, I go over in the last lane, right hand lane. That means the last lane to the island.
Yeah.
42 side.
Yeah, yeah.
They go come over. Because I'm pretty mirror, see I can't almost in my back door. So you know, they can't go over again. Hold the composure back in my lane. So time when I come over, I got me trailer. Wait past close. I try silence.
And breeze.
Line up myself. See line me, I line up myself. Yeah? Look see the car go so. I want like
one ditch.
Manual.
Yeah.
Or a main lock off in the road there, so it have a
could dip.
descent in it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, so
when the front wheel go down in that, I think you can't swing on that trailer. So they come when it go down, when the front wheel goes so,
yeah,
go so, we go so same time. See the go, we go so, look in the
flip over.
You just drop. Whoosh! What is Father God? What is door them? Where them can open? I load it on the road, but 2 car them. You don't know where this man come from out there blues. You know, the windscreen a kick in. So you might kick in the windscreen. So me have to kick it out. And I say, alright man, kick you, kick. So me him a kick in and me a kick out.
Yeah.
In and out. And so we get the windscreen glass, me can
come out
there. When I time I kick me, go 3. And then kick again and come through. And so Father God, what is Father God? What is? Start out pretty. But I don't know if you do. I don't want to let you know distress, I don't want to let you know problem, I don't want to wait. Just let me go on. Go on. You can start life over. Just so me I tell you, because I just lost everything. You know what? Go down. It happened so fast, I never expect it. You carry that just go so.
Yeah.
I don't lick nothing. I don't lick no vehicle, I don't lick no.
And just the descent, the ditch where you're going and lose control and just flip over. Because a lot of the road them have them could dip there as well too, you know. When you go down in it and when you come up back you can feel the car left to right. You know. Yeah.
Control and something set now.
Because when you are driving with a good speed and you go down in something and come up, you can feel that the car out of balance now. You know, so it's all about your control there. So when time we toward the ditch them stay, by the time you do that, you're going to end up flip. You know, because there's a lot of bad road work going on right now. We have to look all in the road, and you know. But we give thanks, you know, say it never worse. You know, there's something way at least now you can realize and know say your life. It come with a lot of tests, you know. Whole heap of obstacles. So this is just one of them where you have for those fly across. Yeah. You know something, princess?
Yeah man, I'm just grateful for life.
Yeah man, so I'll bring a bag for you as well to with a older chicken and 5 pound rice and a bag of oil as well to from Cindy and family from Florida, you know. Appreciation for Christmas gift.
So thank you very much.
Cindy and family.
Grateful for this package, you know. While you must celebrate my birthday, me and baby.
Yeah.
I enjoy myself.
Oh, when was your birthday?
The 19th.
The 19th of December. Hey, alright, happy belated birthday because me never know, so now I know happy belated birthday. You know, I know you have Christmas to celebrate right now. And the New Year. The greatest thing you hear for the New Year. You could have heard say you never make it for the New Year, you know. You know, I always hear them stories that say a lot of people never make it for the New Year, but you definitely there for the New Year because God have purpose for you. You understand? So yeah, for those father part there.
Love everybody and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Alright then, so blessings again with a strong same yeah? That's one way to use the same man, yeah? Yeah man, what's your name, your husband? Omar! Go on with the TZ, you know. Yeah, move, yeah? Alright then, I'm going to say congratulations. The greatest news, faith, you know, it's cancer free. No news great like that news. Because a life that's saved. You hear the name we give her? Her name is Faith. So once you have faith, you cannot go wrong. Faith is patience, you know. Right? And once you have patience, you have to have faith with it. Because it go a long way. Yeah? Alright, that's a blessing. Alright, blessing. Wow, guys, you see? Life. You know, life. She made an accident last night, you know. Yeah, them a drive. Car spin with them.
Shana man.
Yeah, I come in last night. Derby. The phone not working. Oh. Can cook?
Ah, boy. Nice here. Present your package.
Chicken
and thing.
And rice and oil. Cindy and family, thanks.
Tell them thanks. Thanks.
Cindy and family. Work the bag and say thank you. Work the bag and say thank you, Cindy and family. And family. Alright then. Take it easy, yeah?
Yep.
So we have a whole of chicken, 5 pounds of rice and a buckle of oil. Alright then, bless you. Derby. Alright, go on. Alright, come on to that. Are you up here the music there? Alright, so Derby. So you know, as I say, straight away they come to my mind because you have a donor in the program. Them send some bag of chickens.
Yeah.
Right, so and some rice. So I'm gonna put on it here in the mixer as well for 5 whole of chicken and 5 pound bag of rice with oil as well to catch. You know, so you have the oil everyone here. So so we have 5 bags here. Each bag contain 1 whole of chicken, a buckle of oil, and 5 pound rice. You know, so I know that can help out a lot. So I will give thanks for Cindy and family that provide this from Florida. So you can tell Cindy and family thanks.
Well, on behalf of the Irish and the Golden Age home here in Central, we'd like to extend our greatest welcome for Sydney and
family
for this package here, for these people here. It is very good of you to really think of us here in Trenchtown, you know. Yeah, where's the elderly people, That is very good. So we thank you, Cindy and family, for this package, for these elderly persons.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yeah, so we'll give thanks. So 5 of them, you know, 5 whole of chicken, and we're gonna bring them around the back. Walk back on the side, them walk right side there. So 5. No, don't forget 5 up here. No, no worry about that. I better just walk around. I walk around. Go on. So that's 4. So one more go with that. 5. So we have to give thanks to Cindy and family, you know. So we're here at the Golden Age, you know, because you know them up here, you know, families and everything. Bless up. Yeah, now come there. Yes, guys. So we're here at the Golden Age, you know. So we're dropping out 5 of the bags. Them contain of 5 chicken, 5 pound of rice, 5 pound of rice. The music that turn on back. Let them turn on the radio for me, please. Yeah. Yes, so these are the 5. Remember, chicken them are go sweat, you know, so you want to get them out and put them in the fridge. Alright, the seat here. So we have 1 whole of chicken here, you know, and a 5 pound bag of rice. And we have also a bucket of pie. Oh, take a chicken in for you.
No,
So another one.
I'm not sure there's island rice.
So these are all island rice now left now.
Yeah, man, that is very
rice.
Yes, sir. Our pleasure. You know, I think already.
Yeah, man.
We're always here to help out. Let me say, anything will come up, golden age is a part of it. You understand? We always have to look out. It's first on the list.
Well, that is it in a key now.
Yes, sir.
They process for you.
Yes, it can be.
Wow, elders,
yeah, man, we have to look out for the elders. Them. And them paved the way, you know. Because they was here before the younger generation, right? Okay, well, you can grab some of the back end there.
No, man. Them now say no want the bag, you know. Yeah, man, want the bag. No, key, no, we can't give back the bag. You want the bag? Them have other thing, you know.
You can keep them, man, if you have use of them.
Okay, I'll use them. Yeah, I see them.
Yeah, you can keep them. Have use of them. Yeah, the bag.
Me, you know, dirty. I'm a rascal boy, man. Me, man.
Yeah,
Alright, so these are the elderlies then. Hello, you alright, mommy? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Same to you. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year's. Merry Christmas to you as well too, okay? Merry Christmas, mommy. Praise the Lord. Amen. Yes, we tell them a Merry Christmas, each and everyone that's here. Wish them a Merry Christmas, so guys, so these are the golden age. Merry Christmas to each and everyone. Blessed family, Merry Christmas, yeah? Merry Christmas. So this is the golden age, a container for about, Merry Christmas, you alright?
Me not alright.
What go on?
Me not alright. Me short of money.
So where you want to buy?
Want buy a number.
Cash pot you want to buy?
Yeah, man.
A cash pot you want to buy?
Yeah, man.
A little entertainment?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright, so me give you something so you can buy a number, right?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Alright, yes, so you can buy a number.
Yeah.
Come know your little enjoyment.
Yeah, I went there.
I don't know, because I'm not watch that, I'm not buy it.
That one, no.
Alright, so you can buy a number now then, right?
Yeah.
Alright, good times. Alright, then, so blessings to all. Alright, yeah? Blessed uncle. Alright, yeah? Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. So, up here get a lot of elderlies, you know, a lot of homeless. There, be later, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah, back here.
Alright, then big up.
No respect, man.
Yeah, man.
You see?
No problem.
I appreciate that. You see,
yeah, man.
How we there try to do our best. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Thank you now. Bless you now. Come and see again. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You got to soul, man.
Yeah, man. We love going on to the poor people, black poor people, and elder like I and I. So respect that.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, man.
I love and peace too, man.
Yeah, man. Every time. Alright. Come here, whoa. Bless it. Oh, he must sleep. Oh, he must sleep. Alright, yeah, uncle. Merry Christmas, yeah?
Christmas, yeah, uncle.
Oh, not hearing well. Okay.
Merry Christmas,
oh,
yeah.
He's not hearing well, whoa.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, man. Thanks for that.
Yeah, them say he's not hearing well. Hold on. Come on, we'll get the woman them from Fish Street. The old woman them at the bottom there, so. Yeah. Yes. I got line up on plastic for you. That homeless there. So you have front and you have back as well too. So this is the front bar. Blessing. Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful day. Okay, I see you celebrating Christmas. Alright then. Listen. How much are left? 3? Oh, Mr. Remember him. Aki. I know him favor him father for true. Without the locks.
You shape up like me.
Yeah, without the locks. Cook Aki, man. So you sell him, you know? Cook up?
Yeah, some family big.
Hey, this is a big way to cook. Caesar rice.
Anything.
Aki and saltfish. Which one? But you know, cook off everything for today, though. Yeah, breadfruit for the roast it today. Yeah, breadfruit. Hey, nah, like a real soldier, the man walk and hunt. He got a bigger bag now, bag full up. Yeah, bigger bag. Okay. This is Merry Christmas. Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What's cooking today?
Nothing.
No. So that means I make you cook today then. So we're dropping off a bag here for you. The bag contains of 5-pound bag of rice, oil, and an whole of chicken.
Thanks.
So today you can put it on a pot.
Yes.
So you can thank.
The next wedding a day here.
Yeah, man, no problem. I will bring that for you.
Okay.
So you can thank Cindy and family.
Okay.
So thank you, Cindy and family.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
So Cindy and family.
So Cindy and family.
Cindy?
Yeah, and
thank
family.
you, Cindy and family.
Oh, thank you, Cindy and family.
Alright then, bless up, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Thank you.
So we can circle you back for dinner?
And I'm going to cook till tomorrow.
Alright, no problem.
Okay, yes.
Put on the chicken level our box in there, whichever day you cook pan, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Which part we are at now? 4th Street we've got on now. Yeah. Which part we can walk? Now?
So near way up as well. For Keegan yard.
Yeah. Okay.
And drop out right to
Eh? What you say?
You don't want to build my runway for the open and come along my own and play. Watch it.
So, if you're going to be the owner playing a rich than not talk, man.
I mean, I just buy my local jet and go 19, somebody can hold night, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Miami, Florida, New York, them places that travel go.
Okay, so you so you're only waiting on the runway for go New York?
Yes, so the runway, me don't want to build over here, so but them build a lot of things for the runway, so. Plane right now, it's a Atlanta, Tim's Pen.
So when you build the runway, that's when you'll be going to New York, right?
Yes, when the runway built, plane, them time the plane I go, done a repair already, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, so the runway built and done. Yes, and then time the plane I come, so you go see a nice beautiful, you know, full blue to go in at you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, leather seat, you know.
Ow.
Feather inside.
Ow.
Yeah, man, so that's it.
All the way to New York.
Timeless watch, everything about in there. I'm on my bathroom, my toilet, you know.
Yeah, your bed.
Yeah, I'm on my bedroom, you know. I say, I'm going to take a 6-hour flight go to New York. There you are.
So long? So you're just... No, you're
6-hour flight goes different country then. And I Europe, me have to. Say, you are. Go on flight and I take a 5-minute sleep, you know.
Yeah.
You know? Go on with a sleep. And,
so the people worship have the plane, you know, but they don't have the runway. So,
since I'm rich now, yeah, you got your ding, ding, ding. Something wake me up, I'm going to fly up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the destiny that I reach, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, so... Yeah, man. $36 million me away from replay the plane.
Aye.
That, but... I'm nothing still pay for, you know, I'm just there, see I'm going to go and hold it, you
know.
Yeah,
yeah.
Man, I know I'm going to reach in New York, you know.
Aye, so rich, man. Yeah. Worship a sample, you know. Whoa. Come, Jella. We're giving you a bag here with an Ola chicken, 5 pound bag of rice, and a bucket of iron. Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Give me a hug here.
Hey.
Remember your father in your bed, the party.
Wow, that one that high.
Kid, I remember me.
Of course. Remember your man.
Grandbaby mother.
Yes. You know, because they show me the kind of young then time there, so I know say I can see the image.
Your father alright though.
Yeah. Yeah, man. See the image, man. The image is there, you know, but I don't remember everything, but if I see the face, it's like, yeah, I know that person. Yeah, so thank you. So you can thank Cindy and family as well too for the package. So I say Cindy and family, thank you.
Cindy and family, thank you very much. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year when you come.
Yes, I
love you.
Alright then, so go and stay over, yeah? So I go and sweep up the yard.
I want a pipe boss.
Okay. Alright then, take care, yeah?
Yes, you look your father.
Yeah, man, I'll be. Well, he might go be watching, so he will see you.
Yeah.
Alright then. What should I see there?
Go with the Facebook.
I don't know. Yes.
What's up?
So, I cook for you?
Keegan, I get.
Okay, alright, we're gonna leave a bag for her. Bring it in and Nicole. Bring it in for her. Alright, yeah, mommy. Merry Christmas. That's
Alright, Miss Penny, liquid here.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna put it on fridge.
Yeah. Alright, take care.
Hello? That's it for the day. You know, the thing goes, you know, it was a wonderful day. You know, a lot of walking, a good exercise, you know, for me, very good, and for the team. You know, I want to thank our extended family so much. We thank them so much, you know, for helping out the less fortunate. You know, I want to thank Cindy, you know, and family for the chicken and the rice and the oil, you know, for the people them. Also, I want to thank Tyrone and his team as well too, you know, for the care packages, you know, the box of groceries as well too. It was a wonderful day. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica.
You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.